So here's how to create drop down menu on Figma. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to sign into your Figma account. Then here you have to go to the new page. Now click on the text option at the top. After that, here you have to type in your text. Now click on this pencil icon at the top. Moving on to the next step, here you have to add a vector in the triangle shape. After that, here you have to rotate it to 180 degree. Once you do it, now its direction will be changed from upward to downward like a drop down menu icon. After that, here you have to select both of these items and then right click on it. Now click on the add auto layout option here. Now click on the frame 1 and then from the left menu click on the add stroke option to add any strokes here. After that, select this element and copy it. Once you copy it, now here you have to paste it. Paste this element various times to create multiple frames. Now to delete this icon from here, you have to simply select this icon and then click on the delete option from your keyboard. Now simply copy this element and paste it as many times as you want. Then also change the text for your submenu here. After that, click on the frame 5 and then click on the remove stroke option. After removing your stroke, now again click on the frame 5 and then add a stroke if you want. Now select the drop down content group and go to the prototype tab in the right panel. Click on the interaction drop down and select overlay or drop down option. Connect the drop down button to the drop down content group by dragging the blue connector from the button to the group. In the prototype tab, adjust the settings such as animation and transition duration for the drop down interaction. Click the play button at the top right corner of the Figma window to preview your design. Test the drop down interaction to make sure it works as intended. So that's how to create a drop down menu in Figma.